The price of free. Arjun was a young boy who lived in a small town. He lived with his mother and father. His family was poor, but they were honest and kind. His father owned a tiny grocery shop. Every day, Arjun helped in the shop after school. Arjun did not like working in the shop. He wanted a big life. He wanted to wear nice clothes, have a new phone, and live in a big city. He was tired of the small shop and old house. He often said to himself, I want more. I want something better. One hot afternoon, something strange happened. A big red van came to the town. It was bright and shiny. On the side of the van, big letters said, Mr. Felix Free Fortune Fair, everything you want, for free. People from the town came to see the van. Children laughed and ran around it. Adults stood and stared. The van's door opened slowly. A tall man came out. He wore a purple coat and a tall black hat. He had a gold cane in his hand. Hello, everyone, the man said. My name is Mr. Felix. I bring magic and gifts. Everything here is free. People looked at each other. Free? That sounded too good to be true. Come in, Mr. Felix said. One by one. You may enter and ask for anything you want. No money needed. No questions asked. Many people were afraid. They did not believe him. But Arjun was curious. He wanted to see for himself. He walked to the van. Mr. Felix smiled. What do you want, young man? He asked. Arjun thought for a moment. Then he said, I want a brand new phone. Easy, said Mr. Felix. He clapped his hands. In a second, a new phone appeared in Arjun's hands. Arjun was shocked. It was real. Thank you, he said. Enjoy, Mr. Felix said with a smile. Remember, nothing is free forever. But Arjun was too happy to listen. He ran home and showed his new phone to his friends. They were amazed. The next day, Arjun went back to the van. Hello again, Mr. Felix said. What do you want today? I want a new pair of shoes, Arjun said. Clap. The shoes appeared. Perfect size, perfect color. Each day, Arjun asked for something new. A watch, new clothes, a gaming console. And each time, Mr. Felix gave it for free. Soon, Arjun became popular. Everyone wanted to be his friend. He wore fancy clothes and showed off his gifts. One day, Mr. Felix said, Would you like something big? Yes, Arjun said. I want to live in a big house in the city. Mr. Felix smiled. Very well. Go to sleep tonight. Tomorrow, your wish will come true. Arjun went to bed with a big smile. The next morning, he woke up in a large bedroom. The bed was soft. The room had a big TV and air conditioning. He ran to the window and saw tall buildings and fast cars. He was in a big city. At first, Arjun was very happy. He had everything he wanted. He had money, clothes, and a fancy home. But soon, strange things began to happen. One day, his new phone stopped working. The screen went black. He tried to fix it, but it was dead. Then, his shoes fell apart while walking. His watch stopped ticking. His TV turned off and never turned on again. He called Mr. Felix. Why is everything breaking? He asked. Mr. Felix smiled through the screen. Remember what I said? Nothing is free forever. But you said it was free. Arjun shouted. It was, Mr. Felix said. But now, it's time to pay. Suddenly, Arjun's big house started to shake. The walls cracked. The lights went out. In minutes, everything was gone. He was back in his small room in the old town. Everything he had was gone. The new phone, the clothes, the shoes, all disappeared. Arjun ran to the red van. But it was gone too. There was only a sign on the ground. It said, nothing is free, you always pay in the end. Arjun sat down. He felt sad and ashamed. He remembered how his father always said, work hard for what you want. Quick gifts do not last. That day, Arjun learned a big lesson. Free things can feel good, but they often have a price later. Real happiness comes from honest work, not from magic or shortcuts. From then on, Arjun worked hard in the shop. He helped his father with a smile. He saved money for the things he wanted. Slowly, his life became better, not with magic, but with effort and love. And he never forgot the words on that sign, nothing is free.